Be guiding you through a little meditation visualization. So if you want to do that on your back in Shavasana, you're welcome to. You're welcome to be on your back or come up to a seated position. Take a big breath in through the nose. Open mouth, sigh it out. Big inhale. Open mouth, sigh it out. You can let your eyes be closed or let them rest softly on one spot. As you are on your normal, natural breathing, start to notice if you can feel the breath move in your nostrils. And see how relaxed you can let your body be as you exhale. On your inhales, notice the breath move in the nostrils. As you exhale, let your body be at ease. Asteya, the practice of non-stealing, can mean a lot of different things in the day-to-day life. It can look a lot of different ways. Today, I invite you to consider it as a balancing act. Visualize in your mind an old-timey scale where if you put a lot of weight on one side, the other side rises up. And if you put a lot of weight on the other side, even more than the first side, and we're looking to create balance. So allow yourself to visualize this balancing scale. And on one side, place the areas in your life where you may be overdoing, overexerting, taking on more than necessary. Or even the areas of your life where you take more than necessary. And on the other side, in your mind, imagine placing the areas where you may be underexerting, maybe depriving yourself, where you're not taking enough and therefore stealing from yourself because you're not taking what you need. Now imagine both sides coming into balance. There's a place of equilibrium where you have ease and you also have the effort. You take what you need without taking too much or too little. You can silently repeat to yourself or just listen or say out loud. I have 3 little affirmations for us. I honor my limits and respect my boundaries. I honor my limits and respect my boundaries. I give and receive in balance and harmony. I give and receive in balance and harmony. I am complete and whole as I am. I am complete and whole as I am. If it's available, is there a space for gratitude for the just right places in your life? You have just the right amount of giving and taking. Gratitude that you have a choice. Really bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice again the inhale through the nose. This time, as you exhale, you can invite some movement to your fingers and toes. Notice the breath in through your nose. And this time, roll over to either side into a fetal position. As you move through the rest of the day, the invitation is to bring with you a sense of balance. So notice the times where you may be overexerting, and then what could you do to dial it back? Could it be to breathe, even just to notice? Or the opposite, we've gone to the other extreme, and maybe a little effort is needed. When you're ready, come up to a seated position. Touch your palms together at the center of your chest. Remember that the practice of Asteya means honoring your limits while embracing your wholeness. Put your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.